Okay, I am back with another video that what the things you need to make your device fully rooted. You should root your device first. After that, you can do your device flash and other tools, other things you are. If you are really planning to make your device fully rooted, so here I will suggest you something new in this video. Let's discuss with the AI first of all because it will give us and some options. We already make a video on the flashing, so let's again ask how can we root our device, our Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra device. So if you really plan that now you are moving and make your device fully root, so let's wait and see the answers first. This is the software Samsung Odin official Odin download link. So it just flash your device. It will not keep you currently and make your stream interrupt. Let's again ask and waiting for the complete message. Okay, here you go. Routing a Samsung Galaxy is possible, but it comes with risk. Warranty void, not strip banking apps may stop working. Here is the short and practical method for if you are going to do flash, so you should root your device. Here you can see it I have mentioned that flash your ROM, smartphone or tablet and write tablet. So these are the method we are going to follow up. Method Magisk root recommended. Unlock bootloader. Enable developer options in your mobile and then turn on OEM unlock plus USB debugging. Boot into download mode. Long press volume up. Unlock block bootloader wipes data. It will make your awfully data completely cleaned. So if you have some information or some idea how you can run CMD in your smartphone and how you are planning to do via commands, you should I have some information before starting at all. So patch Majestic, okay, Magic Root, just told. This is a software and it will work for you to make your device fully root. Here you can see here already mentioned the options how you can install outsource get TWRP recovery. You can match your device here. Samsung Galaxy S26. Okay, there is no result yet not launch. See this is guide for S25 Ultra. So here you can Play Store, the Cairo, you can mm, download the latest version. Here you can download the latest version TWRP file in the APK version. Okay, it will work, or you can direct download the Majestic app like this way. So let's move back and see. Once you download the Magis APK, you should rename it like Magis 30 version 30.6 to 30.6 something. Then click on install and then click on the install button and choose the Magis APK file, zip file, and then you can see folder name and file name, and then reboot system. It will auto install. You can install after completing your process. And yes, download exit from your app file. Install a Magis APK we already discussed before. So then I hope you understand the points of view what I am gonna let you and easy for you to complete your task. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you understand. If you have some information about the programming or some CMD commands, so you can follow up them also to save your time and make the make the work perfectly.